Imagine a world where AI is more profound than fire or electricity. Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai, predicts AI will revolutionize every aspect of our lives, while Elon Musk warns it might just be our biggest existential threat.
Making a phone call, maybe call a plumber in the middle of the week, or even schedule a haircut appointment. You want to ask Google to make you a haircut appointment.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
From superhuman productivity to global collapse, AI is shaping the next 100 years in ways we can't even comprehend. But what if we rely too much on it? Will AI rule the world, or will it lead us to ruin?
I think we need to regulate AI safety, frankly. On a more sort of near-term time frame, I think artificial intelligence is something we need to be quite concerned about and really be attentive to the safety of AI.
Imagine it's the year 2012-24. You wake up and your AI assistant has already optimized your entire day. From managing your finances to diagnosing your health, it seems AI runs everything. But here's the million-dollar question. Our future? Will AI build it or break it? Sundar Pichai once said, AI is one of the most profound things we're working on as humanity. But Elon Musk warns, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. So who's right? Today, artificial intelligence isn't a futuristic concept anymore. It has, in fact, become more than just a tool. It's woven into the fabric of our lives. From chatbots and virtual assistants to personalized learning apps, AI is rapidly transforming industries, and it's doing so in real time. Whether you're using Google Search or streaming a recommendation on Netflix, AI is at the core of what you're doing. We're talking about technology that's revolutionizing healthcare, automating tedious jobs, and even pushing the boundaries of scientific research. But how exactly will AI shape the future? The speed at which AI can process information and perform tasks is almost unimaginable. In healthcare, for example, AI is already helping doctors detect diseases faster and more accurately than ever. A study at Stanford shows how AI diagnostic tools have a 91% success rate in identifying skin cancer, even outperforming experienced dermatologists. Over the next century, this could become the norm across all forms of medical diagnosis. You won't need to visit a hospital for an MRI. An AI system could do it at home, in real time. Think of AI in industries like agriculture, where it's optimizing crop yields or managing irrigation systems, ensuring we can feed the planet's growing population. According to Bernard Marr, writing for Forbes, AI's role in automation is driving a revolution in efficiency. It's not hard to envision a world where AI systems handle everything from transportation logistics to climate change mitigation. We're heading toward a future where everything, your work, your leisure, your health, is hyper-personalized. AI-powered systems could create individualized plans to improve your well-being, from fitness routines to mental health therapies. According to the World Economic Forum, AI could transform education by tailoring lessons to individual learning styles, ensuring that each student gets exactly the support they need. The possibilities stretch into creative fields too. AI programs are already generating music, art, and fashion. Imagine a future where an AI not only writes a song for you, but knows exactly the kind of music that resonates with your emotional state at any given time. Boundless creativity, harnessed by AI, could redefine art, entertainment, and culture over the next century. Did you know? AI-generated art was sold for $432,500 at a Christie's auction in 2018, igniting debates about what constitutes true art in a world where machines can create masterpieces. Furthermore, AI's potential to address global challenges is astounding. From managing climate disasters to predicting and preventing disease outbreaks, AI systems can analyze vast data sets in ways humans simply can't. By 2024, AI might be the technology that allows humanity to live sustainably on Earth, or even help us colonize other planets. In fact, Elon Musk, a vocal advocate for AI's benefits and risks, sees AI as crucial to realizing his vision of a human presence on Mars. Musk notes AI could be the key to colonizing Mars, helping us design systems and strategies that we can't even comprehend today. But before we celebrate a utopian future driven by AI, let's get into the details of how it could go wrong. AI's growing dominance comes with significant risks, especially as society becomes more reliant on this powerful technology. The next 100 years might also witness the fallout of an over-reliant AI-driven world. One of the most alarming concerns about artificial intelligence is the concept of model collapse. This happens when AI systems start training on AI-generated data rather than human-generated inputs. Imagine a feedback loop where AI continuously feeds on its own inaccuracies, refining errors rather than correcting them. According to another Forbes article by Bernard Marr, this dangerous over-reliance on artificial data could result in catastrophic failures, leading to models delivering wildly incorrect or even dangerously wrong results. The risks here aren't trivial. We're talking about AI-powered systems that manage crucial aspects of our daily lives, from self-driving cars to automated trading in financial markets. If these models collapse, the consequences could be disastrous. Imagine a scenario where an autonomous vehicle, trusting its faulty algorithm, suddenly malfunctions in heavy traffic, or a glitch in AI-driven stock markets leads to a massive financial meltdown. In an even more terrifying scenario, consider AI-run critical infrastructures, such as electricity grids or water supply systems. A model collapse could mean a city's entire energy network goes down, plunging millions into darkness. The ramifications stretch far beyond mere inconvenience. Think of hospitals without power, emergency services coming to a standstill, and public safety being jeopardized. And it doesn't end there. The medical field could face its own nightmare. AI-assisted surgeries that depend on algorithms learned from flawed data. A single misstep in surgery could mean the difference between life and death. As AI integrates deeper into healthcare, finance, and transportation, the consequences of model collapse become not just hypothetical fears, but very real threats to our society. Did you know? AI runs on caffeine too. Okay, not really, but AI systems require immense amounts of energy to operate. By 2025, data centers hosting AI platforms are expected to use more electricity than several large countries combined. Another major drawback of our increasing reliance on AI is that people will stop developing and refining essential skills. AI is already capable of writing, coding, designing, and diagnosing medical conditions, jobs that traditionally require years of training and human expertise. As AI improves, we may face what Stanford's research refers to as a skill apocalypse. In the coming decades, people may no longer bother learning these skills simply because AI can do them better. As one Stanford interviewee starkly put it, why bother learning how to drive when an AI will do it for you? You see, this reliance could create a generation that's not only technologically dependent, but ill-equipped to handle problems if those systems fail. And, as AI absorbs the workforce, who will be left to teach new generations the skills we once held dear? While AI's rise will create new job categories, it will also eliminate others at an unprecedented rate. Economists estimate that over 300 million jobs could be displaced by AI automation by 2030. For example, radiologists and legal assistants, once considered indispensable, are seeing their roles taken over by AI. In fields like manufacturing, AI-controlled robots can already perform complex tasks faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than their human counterparts. The most frightening part? AI evolves faster than humans can reskill. While it might not mean total unemployment, the disruption will likely cause immense economic inequality. According to Sundar Pichai, AI will be as transformational as the Industrial Revolution, but he warns that without responsible governance, it could exacerbate societal divides. But can we trust AI? AI systems, despite their apparent objectivity, inherit the biases of the data they're trained on. In short, they're only as good as the data they're fed. As Built-in reported, AI-powered algorithms used in hiring, policing, and healthcare can reinforce societal biases, perpetuating racial and gender discrimination. Think about facial recognition software that struggles to accurately identify people of color, or loan approval algorithms that discriminate against certain socioeconomic groups. Google's CEO acknowledges this problem, emphasizing the need for ethical ramifications. Bias in AI is not just a bug, Pichai said. It's a feature of human prejudice being automated. The concern here isn't just about the data, it's about the ethics embedded in these algorithms. Who gets to decide how AI behaves? Whose morals are programmed into the code? We can't ignore the growing use of AI in surveillance systems. Governments and corporations alike are investing heavily in AI-driven monitoring tools. While this may improve security, it also raises alarming privacy concerns. AI-driven surveillance could lead to a future where every move is tracked, every decision monitored, and personal freedom becomes a thing of the past. AI could be used to maintain systems of power, solidifying existing inequities rather than dismantling them. In a future where AI is making decisions that affect billions of people, this raises serious questions about accountability and governance. As AI continues to penetrate every aspect of our lives, there's a danger that we could become too dependent on it. We already see examples of this today, as companies push for AI to take over decision-making in more and more areas. Google, for example, has been aggressively promoting its AI platforms, showcasing the vast benefits of integrating AI into business processes. However, as TED's discussion on AI risks explains, such over-reliance can make us blind to the potential pitfalls. What happens when an AI decision-making system, say one that's managing a city's infrastructure, fails? Who's responsible? As AI's scope of influence widens, the consequences of its errors grow more dire. Over-reliance on AI is not just a risk, it's a certainty, said Stuart Russell in a World Economic Forum interview. His sentiment echoes across the industry. The more we lean on AI, the less prepared we are for its inevitable shortcomings. Will AI be the force that propels humanity into a new golden age? Or will our over-reliance on this technology lead to unintended disasters? One thing is for sure. The next 100 years will be crucial in determining the role AI plays in our lives. For every solution AI brings, there's a potential problem waiting in the wings. While some predict that AI will solve humanity's greatest challenges, others like Elon Musk caution that it could become the biggest existential threat to our species. But the future isn't written yet. It's up to us to steer the course, to ensure that AI serves humanity rather than humanity serving AI. Is the future of AI a utopia or a ticking time bomb? It's in our hands. Let's make sure we don't let go.